Now in the left side, there is the option of home. This is your main landing page after logging in. It includes a welcome message and link and introductory resources, guided step for new users, and quick access, as you can see here. Now, in the second option, we have inventory. So this is core section for managing your product and services. In the inventory option, we have items and then item groups and then inventory adjustments, as you can see here. Now, items is basically you can add and manage products or services you sell, and the item groups is like you can create group or bundled products over here. And then we have third, which is make you can make stock correction for physical mismatches. So yeah, this is the inventory option. And then after that, we have sales. All your customer side operations live here, like customer sales order, package, shipment, and all of other things. Then we have in this sales option, we have sales orders, which is you can create and manage customer order before invoicing. Then we have invoices. From here you can manage your bill, you can bill your customers. So yeah, and then we have package orders, packages and shipments as well. uh, Shipment, this is packages and shipments, and from here you can handle shipping and logistics and packaging as well. Now then after we have credit notes. From here you can handle return or refund as well. Now let's move to purchase. So in the from here you can manage everything related to vendors and procurement. So into purchase we have vendors, and then we have expense purchase order, then we have bills, purchase receipt, and then vendor credits as well. So we will talk about important tabs into purchases. So first, which is purchase order. This is a purchase order. From here you can send order to your supplier. And then we have bills. From here you can track what you owe. And then we have vendor credits, so for return item or overpayments. So from here you can manage these things. Then we have integration. From here you can connect Zoho Inventory to other platforms like Aftership or e-commerce shop. If you go into e-commerce section, then we have a Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, etc. Then we have in if you go into shipping, you can go easily connect Easy Post, Aftershift, and these enable automatic syncing of orders, stock, and finances. Let's move back to our main dashboard. Uh, Then we have reports. Reports is better, basically detail analytics on stock level, sales, inventory, receivable, payment received. So it's basically all the reports. If you want to create report, just simply click on this. We will go into further that. So basically, you can manage a detailed analytics on sale performance, purchase history, inventory valuation. It helps you to make data-driven decision. Now let's move to documents. From here, you can store and manage digital documents like product manuals, important templates, and purchase agreement. And then after that, we have Zoho payments. So basically, Zoho payment, this is the newly introduced feature for handling payments directly through Zoho. It may including like you can have customer payment link and integration with Razorpay, Stripe, and etc. Then we have a configuration feature list. So from here you can see, from here you can customize your Zoho inventory experience. Here you can enable, disable modules, and then you can turn on advanced features like batch tracking, serial number, or multi warehouse. So this is a basic overview of the Zoho inventory dashboard. Now let's move to next step. Now let's dive into one of the most important part of Zoho inventory, which is adding and managing your item. Whether you are selling physical product or offering services, this is where all started. Now, step one is to navigate to the item. First, you have to go to inventory in the left side, and you will get to see there is an option of items. Just simply click on it, or you can just simply click on this plus icon. Now, you will see a form with the fields to fill in like name, unit, SKU. If you are not familiar with SKU, is basically the stock keeping unit of the item. Then we have dimension, then you have manufacturing. First, you have to choose the type. It is goods or service. So in my case, I will go with the, I think, services. So yeah, first give a name. So it's like video editing. Then give a SKU, stock keeping units. I don't know what is this SKU. Then you have units. The item will be measured in terms of this unit. So in my say, let's select the uh, our video editing is like it cannot be measured. Uh, so let's move back to goods. So let's say I'm selling uh anything like, let's say I'm selling wireless mouse, and then you have to choose SKU, stock keeping unit, a unique code to identify the product. It is deep to keep it short and meaningful, like just give this VM, then give a little bit space. Then we have this is your 001, this is your SKU. Then you have this units. Choose units like pigs, kg, and liter. So I will choose, in my case, based on your product. So I will choose pigs. And then we have dimensions. And then we have selling price as well. Selling price, I think we should skip this. These are some important things. Dimension, length, height, width, height, select the brand. If you want to add a managed brand, you can add that. Then we have ISBN, which is 13-digit unique commercial book identifier. It is international standard book number. Then you have EAN, UPC, then manufacturing third. Select to add manufacturer. If you have a manufacturer, you can add that. So I will just skip this part and then go to sale information. Then you have to enter your retail price. Uh, it's like 5,000 rupees, and the cost price, which will be purchase price. What is the cost you are to buy? So it's like I'm selling on this. Then we have account. Choose the right income or expense account if integrated with Zoho Books. So it is discount, and so I will choose sales. Then you have cost of good sold. Then give a description, and then the second description, the purchase in the purchase information. If you have added a vendor, you can just select it from here. Now you can track inventory for this item as well. Just simply click on this item over here. But if you scroll up from here, you can upload image. You can also upload a product image to easy to it's easier to recognize in the large list. So I don't have any mouse image, so I'm going to choose this one. So it's kind of like a funny, but yeah. Now let's you can enable track inventory for this item. You go to open stock, you have to enter open stock, a reorder point, and then you have to add a warehouse location. This helps you auto alert you when you are running a low. So inventory account is a inventory asset. Then choose inventory valuation method is first in, first out. Opening stock will be this much. Opening stock rate per unit, this one, I think. I'm not sure what I'm entering, but yeah, reorder point 100, and then click on this save the item, and your item is now live into inventory option. So as you can see all the details related to your wireless mouse. So this is a unique number which we have added earlier. So yeah, you can access this product from your inventory. If you want to add multiple items quickly, you can go to items, and let's go to items, and from here, let's leave and discard. Click on the new. Maybe you cannot import all of the items at once. Maybe you can. Uh, okay. So in the item, if you don't have that option to, I think, importing all the items at once. So yeah, this is perfect. You can manage existing item. Once your items are added, you can edit the details to, if you want to re-edit these details, just simply click on it from here. Click on this from here you can just click on this edit button, and from here you will be able to edit the items. So always assign SQS, they make search and report faster. You can use reorder point to automate low stock alert, then create item group if you sell variation, like if you have a t-shirt with sizes, if you have a t-shirt with colors, you can set. Now that's how you can add and manage items into Zoho Inventory. So getting part right sets the foundation for accurate stock management, smooth order fulfillment. Now let's move to next part, is to purchases and vendor management in Zoho Inventory. Now once your item are in place, the next step is to making sure you can purchase stock, manage your vendors efficiently. Zoho Inventory gives you easy way to create purchase orders, track bills, and stay organized with your suppliers. Now, first step to navigate to purchases. In the left side, you have option like purchase. Now, in the purchase, as soon as you open this, you will get to see there is an option of vendors, expenses, purchase order, and a lot of other things. So let's start with creating a purchase order. So in order to do that, what you have to do is click on this purchase order. Just simply click on it and click on this plus icon. And as soon as you click, fill out the PO form. From here, first is a vendor name. Select an existing vendor or add a new one. So right now we don't have any existing vendor. So click on this new vendor. Now what you have to do is, in order to add vendor details, so first let's add a vendors. Go into vendors, leave and discard, create a new vendor, click on it. Now what you have to do is primary contact, select the solution, then give the first name is maker John, and then fill out all the information related to your vendor, like company name and display name, email address, a workflow phone, and then add their pan. If it is not, necessary, but yeah, we have to add other details like pan, currency, payment terms, TDS, enable portal, and portal language. Then you have to add addresses, then you have to add contact persons, bank details, custom field, reporting tags, and remarks as well. So you have to add all of this. This is the necessary things which you have to add. Once you add it, you can easily select them when creating a POs or bills. So now let me just fill out all the basic information. So as you can see here, I have added some basic vendor. So it's not a professional, but yeah, I haven't added a lot of details related to our vendor, but it's good to select our create our purchase order. Now, what you have to do is just simply click on this create a new purchase order. Now go into select vendor and choose our existing vendor. Now over here, you have to set order dates, I guess. Okay. Delivery address is organization Noah Jain. And then you have a purchase address. Then if you want to add a reference, then date, delivery date is 16. Then if you want to give a shipment references, you can give that too. Right now we haven't, I think. Now, this is from here you can add items. So click on it. So we have added this item which we wanted. Okay, the quantity which we want, this much quantity we want, and this is the total amount, the subtotal quantity. If you have any discount, just add this and hit the enter. As you can see here in the final bill, we got the 20% discount. Now, discount account is bad debt, bank fees, or advertising and marketing. If you want to choose that, so you can be applied per item or on total. You can also add internal notes only to your team can see. You can upload a reference document. You can attach shipping details as well. When it's done, hit the save and send to save and send or save a draft. So you can, I will choose save and send to. So as you can see here, you have to add that vendor Gmail address. So this is just for test and click on the save. So it will send this, I think let's move to our Gmail. As you can see here, I think we don't get our email. Okay, we got our email. So this is basically a invoice related to, so it sended this PDF as well. Yeah, this is how you can manage and add vendors, or you can purchase order. So yeah, this is you can do that. So we have already added vendors, then we have purchase offers, and if you have purchase receive, click on it to add, select the vendors and then give whatever purchase received. If you want to create purchase received, just follow the prompt and save and receive, click on it. So as you can see here, we got our purchase receipts. So yeah, this is great if you also use Zoho Books. Now, step 4 is to manage your vendor bills. So what you have to do is go to bills, and from here you can record the amount you owe to vendors. You can track payment status, link bills to respective purchases order. You can mark bill as a paid, partially paid, unpaid. This is great if you also use Zoho Books, as the two modules syncing seamlessly. Now, if you want to import a bills, you can add, and if you want to create a bill, now you have to select the vendor, then give a order name, then give a bill, let's say, that select date, and due date is this much, and the payment terms is custom, net 15, 13, whatever you want to add. Then you have to add a subject. You can enter up to 250 characters if you want. Then you can select the item from here, and you can add items as well, like I have added this one. And so this is, you can save as a open or save as a drafts as well. So you can make these builds from here. Now, step 5 is to vendor credits. What if the stock is damaged or excesses? What you have to do is head over to vendor credits in the bottom, click on it, leave and from it, and from here you just simply click on this, click on the new, create a new vendor, select the vendor. I'll reference the PO, give credit note, then enter the order number, then choose the vendor credit details, then subject within a 25 character. From here, there is a item table. From here, you can choose which product, and from here you can manage accounts and quantity and the rates and amount, and you can add new raw as well. You can add items in bulk. Now you can upload images to vendor credits, and you can add the notes. So after doing all of those things, just simply click on the save as a drop. You can please enter the credit number. So we don't have any credit number right now, I guess. So yeah, you have to enter the credit number and save as open. Now Zoho will reflect this credit into vendor balances, which can be applied to future purchases. Now we have already added vendors. So use custom fields in POs to add things like warehouse location, terms, or preferred couriers. And you can automate follow-ups, email for delayed delivery using workflow rules. So And that's how you can manage purchase and vendor inside Zoho Inventory. Keeping this section organized ensure you always have the right stock at the right time without overspending or forgetting your dues. So just now let's move to next step, which is sales and order fulfillment. For custom orders, what you have to do is go to sales order. Just simply go into sales and then select new sale order, or just simply click on this sale order, and let me just simply discard this. Click on the sales order and create a sale order. Now choose the custom, and from here custom name. If you want to add a new custom name, you have to add new customer. This is a customer name. First, what we are going to do is just simply add our customer details. Choose the customer type, then choose the primary contact, like it is parent, then add first name, then last name, the company name, then display. It's like a vendor. You are filling vendor details. So this is just for customer, and then uh, add a product, then set quantities and price. Once let me show you, I will just simply fast fill out all the information related to our customer. So as you can see here, I have added this our customer. Now from here you can choose a sales order, then reference ID, sales order date, and then expected shipment date. This is the expected shipment date. Then what you have to do is add payment terms, due on recipient. Delivery method will be select delivery method or type or add. Right now, just simply cash on delivery, and then salesperson. If you want to add manage salesperson, just simply click on it and you have to enter the search for salesperson. If you want to add new salesperson, just simply click on it and uh, enter the all related to information. Then what you have to do is just simply add product over here, which is this one. From here, you have to choose the quantity. Then you have to set the price, which is this one. And the quantity will be 23. And then if you have a different items, just simply click on it. You can add a lot of items. If you want to add items in a bulk, just simply click on it. Now if you want to give the discount like 23, hit the enter, and as you can see here, this is after hitting enter, this kind of email will open. Once confirmed, convert to an invoice or package, and then shipment. You can track delivery status, generate shipment label, and manage a return if needed. Just simply click on it and click on the send button. I have to add, I think, the same email. Add. Okay. So I have to add the email address over here. Let me just simply copy this email and then hit enter. Save and select. And then send. So if you go back to our email, refresh this Gmail. Wait for a few seconds to get our email. As you can see, this is our sales order for Maker Group. Thank you for interest in our services. Please find out our sale order attached with the email. So this is the invoice. So yeah, so that's it. Let's move back to our main dashboard. Now let's go to next step, which is integration and automation. Zoho Inventory connect easily with the Shopify, Amazon, and ETCY, WooCommerce, and Zoho Book as well. In order to get that, what you have to do is go to settings, and from there you have to go to integrations. Like you have to search for the integration right now. Uh, Maybe the setting there is no option. Okay. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will get integration and marketplace. Into that, we have shipping. You get the custom workflow and email notification as well. So this is how you can integrate different types of apps, e-commerce website, that kind of. So yeah, let's move back to our main dashboard. Now let's move to report and analytics. From here, uh, go to reports to view, click on it. So as you can see here, this is our report. If you want to create new one, just simply click on this new create new report, choose a module and add new child module, sales order, and click on the next, click on the next, 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 and save custom reports. So this is how you can create our your first custom report. So this is related to the pricing, like status, invoice date, due date, invoice number, order number, customer name, and the total. So from here you can do that. Now let's move back and uh, sales by item or customer purchase history, inventory valuation, stock movement. These help you to make informed decision, avoid overstock or understock. So yeah, here are a few quick tips. You always use unique SQS for better tracking, schedule regular stock audits, and use integration to avoid manual error. Don't ignore draw stock alerts. Use categories to keep inventory clean and searchable. Now, that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, to give a thumb and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time. Now, thanks for watching.